If your cruise isn't working, stick your vehicle in park while it's running and check and see if your brake lights are all on. And if they are, you have an issue with your brake switch. I'm going to show you how to replace it. So what you're going to need is a screwdriver and a 10mm ratchet. And what you have to do is there's a safety clip that you have to pull off, and there's a bolt, and I'm going to show you those right, if I can get that in there. Okay, so that bolt comes out, and then this safety clip, you pop it forward like that and then slide it up, and then it comes out, and then you pull the switch out and you unplug it right here. Okay, got the bolt out. Now you have to pull this clip forward like that past the bolt, and then it snaps off, and then you pull that off that shaft. Like that. And that goes in the middle. And then you pull out, push in on the plug, and then it unplugs. You might have to push the brake pedal down a little bit to get that to line up just right. Now I'm going to give you the important info on this Tahoe. This is the third switch I put in there. I followed all the guides and everything, and everybody told me, oh, you got to have a GM switch. So I ordered a GM switch, and I put the GM switch in, and guess what? Brake lights are still on, cruise still doesn't work. So I looked around online, and I couldn't find any other things to tell me how to fix that. And so I looked at it, and the switch is supposed to be free floating. And what happens is the grease gets old on that shaft and the switch doesn't float. Clean the shaft off with some kind of cleaner. I use some lighter fluid, and then I put a real light grease on there, and I put the switch back on, and everything works good. That is the important part. You could also have a wire break on your plug. I've seen that too.